Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about analog random generator block in Siemens PLC logo. First of all we will open our logo soft comfort software and then just one input we will choose, and when you scroll down after you can see in the special functions timer section there is a random generator block. That's we can pick and drop it here. Zoom we will can make little big and adjust your own choice. And one output we will be take to test our logic. So I will connect this my input with the enabling point, and output we can connect with the Q1. And this block properties I using I1, and this is my input. And this block properties name we can give random generator. Random generator. And this is my output. What this block do, just we can learn by the help. When you open the help page, after in the short description what he says, the output of a random generator is toggled within a configurable time. Means when the input is enabled, the positive edge means 0 to 1 at the enable input triggers the on delay for the random generator. Means when you giving the signal at input, after this will be one timer enables for the on delay. But as when you leave the negative edge 1 to 0 triggers the off delay for the random generator. Means this block have a two properties. One is maximum on delay and one is maximum off delay. Remember that this is just a maximum values picks. An example I choose here, for example 15 seconds for on and 20 seconds for off. But this remember this will be maximum values, and also choose little big values for test the logic, because of small values maybe in observation have a little problem. So when I gives the input at enabling point, after this block will be picks the value from 0 to 15, anywhere random value it will be choose for the on delay, and after randomly choose the value for off delay in 0 to 20 seconds. Let's download this program into the PLC. First time it will be took little time, but once it's connected properly it will be immediately downloaded. If you have a physical hardware you can select the online test mode, and if you don't have physical hardware you can select the simulation for test the logic. So our online test mode is now ready. Now observe, when I give the value at I1, See, it's now starting, but as when the value where he picks, don't know, that's the we set value for 15, but you can see it's the at the 11 seconds it took the value for on delay. And when we release the button, for example, and in input 1, when we release, after you can see this is the random value starts for off delay, but when he picks the for value from 0 to 20 seconds, that's randomly picks for off delay. 15, 16, 17, 18, 18 seconds value it took the for off delay. So that's the basic function of this random generator block. Means when you giving the signal at this block, it will be randomly picks the value. Maybe 3 seconds, maybe 4 seconds, maybe 5 seconds. It depends the random value. Again we will test the logic. Can see I gives the input at I1, can see it's running, but random value how much he picks at now at this time is 13 value he picks for the on delay. And for how much for off delay, we can again test, remove the signal, and you can see it started for off delay time, but how much this will be check 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This time 18 value he picks for off delay. So one more time we will change this value. For example, this I put for 10, and this time for off delay I put for 15 and click OK. And again we will test the logic. Now on delay time is started, and now you can see at the 7 value 7 seconds after it's make the output on. For off delay, now we will check. This is time started, but between 0 to 15 it will be took the value to off delay. You can see it's the 8 seconds after it's took the value. So hope guys you will be understand about this random generator block. If you have a knowledge about this same block random generator, you can share with me through the comment section. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.